I gotta. Needs to be clear. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to flip this. This is a right hand, and we're gonna make this left hand. We're gonna flip this. First, you gotta take the screw off. There's 2 screws on both sides. Take one. You should hold it with your finger, this part right here, so it doesn't come out because it's springy. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Take the screws off. Now this pops out. Okay. Stuck there. Okay, and you got 2 springs, the big one and the small one. Small one goes to the dead latch, and the big one goes to the big latch. Okay, take this out. And now this is the part where you gotta flip it. So take this pin out. You see this pin? And there is a spring here. You put the spring back. There's like a small hole inside for the spring to go in. Okay. And it's magnetized, the screwdriver, so it pulls the spring. Okay, spring is back. Now we have to flip this. This is the pin. You take this part. This part has to face this. You push it in, and you hold it. And you hold it so the spring won't come out. You put the pin in. Come on, buddy. Okay, put the pin in. After you put a pin, you hold this tight. You put it back in the lock body. Put the dead latch. And then you put the spring, the small one on the bottom, the big one on top. There's a small and big hole, so the small one goes on the bottom and the big one goes on top. Pop it back inside. Take your screws. Put it back. Before putting it back, you can try it, make sure it's working. Make sure dead latch is working. And we are good to go. That's how you change from left hand to the right hand. Thank you guys for watching.